Solution built for enterprise big data users. Right? One company, one strategy, and one analytical platform. IHOP, the in-house Omni Analytics platform. Today we have more than 11 reporting and analytical platforms throughout the organization and kind of trying to support 15 different solutions and managed by more than 15 analytical teams. We want to consolidate and create a single version of truth as a platform for the enterprise. Today there is a need of having a common platform around big data is massive, right? With a great opportunity around that space. The future of IHOP, what we see in IHOP is building one common data and discovery and analytical platform around big data. So what that means is we want to enable big data monetization opportunities throughout the company. Today we have tools where we buy the tools from the vendors and we use them to make some meaningful business sense by using those tools out of the data that we have. Okay? But the idea is to have IHOP create business opportunities for the company for reselling the product as a data service platforms. There is a huge cost saving opportunity here is the moment we start building an in-house analytical platform, now we can rationalize the existing platforms that we have. So we have more than 20 existing reporting platforms where we end up paying more than $25 million annually. So those are the cost savings that we can achieve once we build a product in-house. And by building a product core in-house also will give us the opportunities of reselling the product, and that's another revenue channel for us where we can sell our platform with the data in it to customers outside our company. The vision is kind of straightforward. We talk about we want to just enable a single self-service data analytics platform for the enterprise. So what that means is our users are the enterprise users who are running the business functions and also the technology leaders running the strategic direction for the technologies. So we want all the customers to come to a single platform to meet their business needs or data needs, to be more specific. Today in the market, as we know, big data is a much more evolving ecosystem. Such tool actually doesn't exist with all the needs that we have today, and there are platforms offering their small niche capabilities, and today that's one of the reasons where we ended up buying more than 15 platforms to support one single function. And also building IHOP for the company will also help us save a lot of revenue around licensing costs. With big data and the increasing data within the organization, all these platforms that we have today, the licensing is based on the amount of data that is crunched within the tools. So with the digitalization of the whole world and all the platforms around that we build, the consumption of data is increasing. So we are expecting at least 40% growth in our data, which in turn relates to 40% increase in our operating expenses of these platforms. So we want to also have an opportunity where we can custom build or adapt to the digital world. Whenever we see a new function to be added, having an in-house tool will help us add new functionalities to it to meet the business needs. And our approach is pretty simple. We want to build this platform. We call it the in-house Omni Analytical Platform. We want to build it within the organization, a solution built just for us. And the intention is that IHOP will replace all the legacy existing point solutions which are already built. And the benefits are we can save $25 million annually. If we can replace all our legacy platforms with IHOP, and building an in-house platform will also give us the opportunity to generate revenue by reselling this product to other companies as a data as a service platform. Once we have the product built, this would be the one-stop for all the data analytical needs within the company and also within all the business entities that we have. So logic is, like I said before, we want to basically replace all the existing legacy systems. There's a lot of duplication around the data, around the business logics. Today we are having an issue where the sales numbers across the same organization, when they are rolled up to the executives, we tend to get different numbers from the same organization. So we want to change that aspect. We want to give a single source of truth for the business units, and an opportunity for reselling is actually one of the greatest things that we would need at this point to create revenue for our own organization. Team today, we have built this with my innovation team. I would like to include more members on the big data operations team to make our wireframe in the development process, and we would like to involve more of the development teams into this project to make this happen. Competition, like I was mentioning before, the big data ecosystem is a very fast-changing ecosystem, right? It's most of the code is open source. All the platforms are open source platforms, and every quarter there is a new technology which runs faster than the previous version. To be able to catch up with the faster open source world, having an in-house product will give us the capability to stand with them, or even at par with the industry, so that we stay competitive in this business. This will also enable us to have our own code control, and we can be a product company too. Next steps, I would like to talk in depth of how the implementation plan looks like with the executives, and I thank for the opportunity that you guys gave, and I'm looking forward to our follow-up discussions of how we can make this in-house built BI analytical platform to be successful, and I'm looking forward to it.